keep myself healthy, mommy, by eating the proper food like veggies, fruits. I drink milk. It's important that you include yogurt in your daily intake of food because you need those microorganisms, something chuchu, to fight chemicals na na-intake ng katawan mo before pa. And plenty of water. Ayun talaga yung dinisregard ko ng kabataan ko. Akala ko hindi totoo, pero sa tunay na buhay, totoo pala siya. We really need water. We have to hydrate our skin, ourselves, our body, especially with the weather that we have in our country. Ang water intake natin actually kailangan doble. Kasi pag hindi, nadidehydrate na yung skin mo, nadidehydrate pa yung panloob mo. So, hindi mo naman din gusto yon. And it actually feels good. I actually feel good kapag alam kong sa isang buong araw, nagsalad ako, may fish akong kinain, at marami akong tubig na ininom. What I do every morning, I have a juicer at home. Lahat ng mga gulay, bibili kami ng gulay, mga prutas, gino-juice namin yan, whatever is inside my refrigerator. There's broccoli, there's spinach, there's carrots, a hint of ginger, a hint of garlic, a hint of celery, tomatoes, lahat na pwede mong i-juice mo. May mga pagkakataon makaka-jackpot ka na masarap ang juice mo. May mga pagkakataon naman gusto mong isumpa yung sarili mo, ba't mo sila pinagsama-sama? But if you start your day with a fresh glass of veggies and fruits na juice, perfect. Kasi for some reason, you'd feel energized. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam mo. At saka, sa totoo, parang masaya ka lang. Nang walang dahilan. Ang saya mo lang. Parang ito lang, yung happy ka lang lagi. Ganun lang.